Well, good morning. Look at my beautiful wife sitting there. So everybody's having some challenges today. The great freeze of 26 with exploding trees and everything. So, you see we tarped it. It's beautiful. But we can't see anything outside of here, right? Until we walk out. Well, yesterday everything was fine. But today, when I turned around and I come outside and I looked over, you see where I keep the generator? Yeah, it's not good. It's really not good. Look what I'm walking into this morning, guys. How about that? It all crashed in. And my generator, our generator, is right here. Now it's covered in ice and snow. So, yeah. How about that? This makes for a great day, huh? So, because like yesterday, I had the generator. We ran the generator a lot of the day because we don't have any sun. And today I was coming out to start the generator, let it run. Because our power just went out, but that's okay. It's kind of common. We don't have sun. We're used to it. And this changed everything for me. So now I have to do some work and clean all this up. Oh, what a mess. What a mess. And most everything back here will be fine, but it's all about the generator that I got to get that cleaned up now, melt the ice, do whatever I got to do to get that where I can get back to using it. So that's what I get to do for the next couple hours probably. Anyway, have a great day. Enjoy the freeze.